are standing right behind the panel. Thank you. Thank you so much. What a commendable, I mean, they have literally blown their hearts out in performing their rituals and the auspicious ceremony, and with the humble presence, it's time to begin the proceedings. So once again, if your hands are idle, if you're not holding your phones or your cameras or shutters, can we make some noise for this diligent panel that we have on the dais, the Selco family of Gold and Diamonds? Can we make some noise, people? Once again, many congratulations, and it's time to let everybody know a little bit about us, which is Selco Gold and Diamonds. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a very good afternoon and a very warm welcome to the auspicious inauguration function, as we all witnessed live. So blessed be your fortunes for coming in time. Selco Gold and Diamonds is one of the largest jewelry retail chain in India and the second most trusted brand by TRA report 2022. We have 50 years of legacy and a strong presence across the nation with 130 plus mighty stores. Selco Gold and Diamonds have an ever-growing consumer base and caters to their diverse demands through its omni-channel approach. Our stores, both online and offline, offer unparalleled range of jewelry in gold, diamond, platinum, silver, precious and semi-precious stones, metals and fashion jewelry as well. We are a distinguished name in fashion, lightweight and handmade jewelry. Our collections stand out in the industry due to their unique... Thank you so much once again for making your gracious presence under this roof. I can keep going on and keep thanking you because there's a special connection. I'll talk to you if we definitely get some time to have a word. Next up, ladies and gents, we also have amongst us and jewelry industry, setting higher benchmarks and making a national presence with the best of the designs and craftsmanship in the world. Introducing the dreamer, the believer, and the visionary, the director of Selco Family Investor, Suwagar Sen. Can we make some noise? Thank you for your mighty presence and congratulations once again. Next up on the list. The list is a little huge, you'll have to really bear with me, but I'm taking a lot of pride in introducing every single one of them. Next up is a whole-time director of the company Selco Gold and Diamonds as the marketing and designs head. She has contributed widely in the various aspects and departments within the company. Under her guidance, the company has won multiple awards listing from Best Brand by Economic Times to Best Marketing Campaign in 2021 and 22 by CMO Asia Awards, Most Trusted Brand and Desired Brand in 2019 and 2021, and many much more. Introducing the spearhead of Selco Gold and Diamonds, Ms. Joyita Sen, MD and CEO of Selco Family. That was enormous, fantastic contributions by you, and I'm pretty sure the entire family is only gonna see more of you as the years and days pass. So congratulations on all your by now achievements and all the best in the future as well. Ladies and gents, let's not miss Lieutenant the Champion.
Yes,
In
happy
fact,
birthday!
she is also the birthday girl. We're actually just saving it for later time, but after suspense really get that cool birthday. Can we all just say a happy birthday to man? Yeah, let's do this together in 3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much.
Sure
Thank you.
there won't have been any better day for a husband and the director as well. But before a director being the husband to have inaugurated, was that the plan? Always a plan, sir?
Well, yes, it was a plan, but it is God's will. It all worked out together.
Absolutely, it has to be the God's plan as well. I'm sure the luckiest wife right now celebrating tons and tons of jewelry and diamonds, which is a dream for many, many. So congratulations to
I'm
you.
sitting with the actual golden diamonds next to me.
On the mic, if you could.
Yeah, I'm sitting with the actual golden diamonds next to me.
That is absolutely well said. We did not see that coming, but that is going to be the line of the morning for sure. So thank you for doing that. All right, let's not miss out yet another gentleman, the man who is behind the driving force of the sales and operations in Selco Gold and Diamonds. His contribution has added in building our brand's best services that today our customers enjoy to the level best. Presenting.
पहले तो बोलना चाहूँगा कि ये हम लोग का 135th स्टोर ओपनिंग है और कभी कभी छोटा जो लैंडलॉर्ड है महेंद्र भाई, वो बोले कि जो भी नंबर आप करो याद रखना 9 नंबर होना चाहिए। तो महेंद्र भाई ये 9 नंबर का मतलब 135 एड्स अप टू 9, तो ये ऑस्पिशियस जर्नी का बिगिनिंग है और बहुत अच्छा हम लोग आशा करते हैं कि ये जर्नी आगे बढ़ते रहे। साथ साथ यही बोलना चाहूँगा कि देखिए ज्वेलर्स तो बहुत सारे हैं और सब लोग अच्छे हैं, सब लोग कोशिश करते हैं अच्छे डिज़ाइन करने के लिए। हम लोग का जो स्पेशलिटी है कि हम लोग का जो ओरिजिन 80 साल पुराना की लेगेसी जो है, हम लोग आते हैं कारीगरी का हब से जो है कलकत्ता, और हम लोग का कोशिश यही रहेगा कि कस्टमर्स को हम लोग खुश करते रहे, नए नए डिज़ाइन लाते रहे, नया ट्रेंड्स, नया फैशन, और कारीगर के साथ डायरेक्टली काम करते हैं। तो हम लोग का एक कोशिश रहता है कि ज्वेलरी, आज प्राइस ऑफ गोल्ड बढ़ता जाएगा, प्राइस ऑफ सारा चीज़ों का महंगाई बढ़ते जाएंगे, मगर सही प्राइस में, सही बजट में, सही वेट में हम लोग ज्वेलरी डिजाइन करते रहेंगे और लोगों को खुश करते रहेंगे। नया नया बहुत सारे ट्रेंड्स आ रहा है, डायमंड्स के ऊपर, गोल्ड के ऊपर, एंटीक के ऊपर, कुंदन, पोल की न्यू जनरेशन का भी वर्किंग वुमेन ज्वेलरी, हर तरह के ज्वेलरी आ रहा है, क्योंकि लेडीज अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि खाली स्पेशल ओकेशन में ही पहनेंगे, ऑल द टाइम, ऑल थ्रू आउट ऑफिस वेयर, कैजुअल वेयर। तो हम लोग अंडर सेनको हर तरह का ज्वेलरी रखेंगे और यही आशा रहेगा कि मुंबई के सब जो भी कस्टमर्स रहेंगे, जो कंज्यूमर रहेंगे, बोरीवली के जो रहेंगे, आसपास में जो भी है एरिया, सब लोग को यही रिक्वेस्ट और विनती रहेगा, वो लोग आए, देखें और हम लोग को फीडबैक दे, ताकि सबके आशीर्वाद से हम लोग आगे बढ़ते रहे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
The blessings are always with you. They were always with you, and they are going to remain. Or marketing prospect from my side as well. We can discuss about that later. But thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Here in the from Mr. Shubhankar Senji, and also to Anna Buick, the birthday girl, Jogita ji. If you could add up to what your husband just said, we would be glad to hear from you.
Firstly, good afternoon to everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of our opening, for taking the time out and coming and celebrating with us. And to add to what Mr. Sen said, that jewelry is a woman's asset, and her, in a way, diamonds are a girl's best friend. And the focus has been on jewelry because a woman expresses her personality through the way she dresses, through the way she wears her jewelry, and that we understand that, and that is very important for us. And we also understand that today every woman has to keep changing her look. She grows with time, and so her looks also change. So we keep that budget in mind, and we continuously provide designs that will help her to express her nature and her style. So that is what we have focused on, and we have the reason we come to Borivali is because we find that this is a growing place, and convenience and service is what we focus on. So coming here has, we hope that will help a lot of people come here when they have the time, because Bombay life is very fast-paced and hectic, which is why we have come here today. And going forward, I hope we can give a good solution to all the women out there who have requirement for good jewelry and good designs.
Amazing. And one of the solution, we've already done one. It's such a beautiful store on the way to this order, and the solution is definitely out there. It's just for them to see now and make the most of it. Thank you so much, Vitaji.
And having Vidyaji with us is, the cream on the cake, because I always believe that she is a woman of substance, and at Senco we have very strong values, and we like to be regarded as a brand with a message, with a substance. So we're very happy to be having you with us, and it's such a special occasion. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you so much. You know what, you just mentioned she's the icing. That is the reason why on your cake we have not kept any icing, because the icing is right out here. So we've taken care of that, and your words are going to be absolutely places here. Thank you, Joyita ji, once again. And just to add it to this list of dots, how can we leave behind Mr. Dhaval Raja? Let us all introduce him, and the mic goes to him for his words of wisdom about Senco family.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming all the way and taking time out for the opening. Thank you for your gracious presence here. It speaks a lot. It's about volumes that the association that we have with Vidyaji has been done. And I look forward and look for this association going on for many years. As ma'am said, it's all about trust and values that the brand carries, and I see no better somebody than Ms. Vidya who can carry this, and project it for us. Borivali is a market, where I have my birth here, so I'm basically live from Borivali. So this store is very close to my heart. It is our 135th store in India and 4th store in Mumbai. The whole idea of this store is to get the karigari of across the India to one place, to offering the various ornaments and jewelries to the customers of Borivali. That's the whole idea that we wanted a store in Borivali. It's a developed market, and then we always wanted our presence here. And the whole focus of this store will be on the consumer centricity. We want our customer to experience the different designs, the extensive range that we carry, and we will cater to all the TGs that we have, right from fashion, jewelries to gold keys to diamonds to gold. So whole idea is, giving a great experience to the team, ensuring that we meet their demands, and hope that we keep excelling in doing so. Thank you so much.
And you're the best man in business to be taking care of all of that, and I'm very sure it's only going to go bigger and brighter as the day passes. In fact, it is very, very brighter, but there's no limit. The sky is the limit, but I'm sure we are going beyond the skies because it's diamonds and it's jewelry. Right. Thank you so much, Dhawanji, for your mighty talk as well. And now it's time to hear from herself, Grace herself, on her association with Senco and how delighted, firstly, to inaugurate this Senco store, which is number 135, and secondly, on seeing the exclusive collection and the one she's got very, very right now. Enlighten us with your humble words, ladies and gents, from Vidya Balan.
Firstly, good afternoon, everyone. Oh my God, the volume is really high. Congratulations to Shuvankar, to Joita and Dhawan and the entire Senco family. मैं पिछले 8 साल से सेनको की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रही हूँ, और ये मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है कि ऑफ कोर्स ये ब्रांड बहुत ही खूबसूरत ब्रांड है, which caters to people across age groups, across economic strata. There's such a wide range for people wanting traditional, modern jewelry, everyday jewelry, whatever you want. But what's really special is that the Senco family are very genuine, warm people. And for me, as a brand ambassador, I feel really fortunate to be associated with you all. I still miss Mr. Shankar Sen, your father, but I know his blessings are with you. And with Joita's support, Shuvankar, it's wonderful that you're just keeping at it and moving ahead. God bless you, and all the best. I hope to be inaugurating the 150th store very soon. And compliments of the season to everyone. It is festive season. I hope it's a very healthy and happy one for all of us. And all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vidyaji.
Thank you, Mr. Parker. Yeah.
You got it right. I'm impressed. And just like she said, she was blessed to be in association with Senco family for 8 years. I cannot be even more thankful and blessed to be doing this, hosting for them, and to be a part of the family with Senco. So thank you so much for the opportunity I've been bestowed on to me. We're taking a lot of pride, and with this pride we move on, and it's time to flash the jewels. Yes, it was correct. You heard me right, ladies and gents. It's time for the photo op, and we're going to be flashing the jewelry collection. So may I request all 4 of you to please stand and let the shutterbugs do their jobs and capture.
अच्छा दे दो अदिति दे दो Yeah, so full of energy.
Alright, cameras, now is your moment. Do it with all the light. Once again, a big thank you for everyone to be out here present under this glamorous roof. I would want to give you a time out, and a big congratulations to every single member of Senco Gold and Diamonds family. number 135 and counting.
I request people from Nausea who are not from media, please move behind. না না এখানে একটা তো কিছু করে না করবো
एट साल से 8 सालों से आप सैनिकों की पार्ट हैं एंड यू नो फैमिली है तो कितना बेस्ट मोमेंट होता है उनके डैडी को भी आपने याद किया तो कितना बेस्ट मोमेंट होता है आपके लिए विद्या जी के लिए।
मैं 8 साल से सैनिकों की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर रही हूँ और जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि मैं ऐसे ब्रांड से जुड़ी हूँ जो अपनी कारीगरी के लिए जानी जाती है, जो जहाँ पे हर किसी को कुछ ना कुछ Should I do it again or और मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है कि मैं ऐसे ब्रांड के साथ जुड़ी हुई हूँ जो ना सिर्फ अपनी कारीगरी के लिए जानी जाती है बल्कि जहाँ सबके लिए कुछ ना कुछ है। जिस तरह की ज्वेलरी आप चाहते हैं उस तरह की ज्वेलरी यहाँ आपको मिलेगी। ये एक भरोसे वाला ब्रांड है और 80 साल पुराना ब्रांड है और मेरे ख्याल से इनकी यूएसपी यही है, खासियत यही है कि ये लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, आपको कभी ये दगा नहीं देंगे और ये ज्वेलरी में बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। तो भरोसे से आप अपनी ईमानदारी से कमाए हुए पैसे यहाँ लेकर आइए, अच्छी ज्वेलरी वापस लेकर जाइए एंड आई थिंक इट्स आई जस्ट फील वेरी हैप्पी कि अच्छे लोगों के साथ मेरा ये एसोसिएशन रहा है। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि बहुत लंबा चलेगा।
एंड हमने देखा कि बहुत ही
ज्वेलरी बोला जाता है कि लेडीज को जो है ज्वेलरी इज द बेस्ट काइंड ऑफ लेडीज, तो आपके हिसाब से आप कितना मानते हैं इसको और मतलब आप कितना पसंद करते हैं?
आई थिंक मुझे ज्वेलरी अच्छी लगती है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा मिनिमलिस्टिक ज्वेलरी पसंद करती हूँ। हाँ, झुमके बहुत बड़े बड़े पहनती हूँ मैं, पर हर तरह की ज्वेलरी मुझे अच्छी लगती है। ओकेशन के हिसाब से पहनते हैं, रेगुलरली भी कुछ पहनते हैं, पर आई थिंक ज्वेलरी से एक औरत की खूबसूरती जो है बढ़ती है एंड आई थिंक शी लाइक जोइता सेड अ वुमन एक्सप्रेसेस हर पर्सनैलिटी ऑल्सो थ्रू द ज्वेलरी। पर आजकल लड़के भी ज्वेलरी पहनना लड़कों ने भी ज्वेलरी पहनना शुरू कर दिया है, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है। हमारा तो कंज्यूमर बेस बढ़ गया है एब्सोल्युटली।
बहुत ही आपने ब्यूटीफुल
ऑफ कोर्स, पर उसके बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे।
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल ज्वेलरी आज आपने वेयर किया, थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताइए कि ये क्या कुछ है एंड क्या कुछ क्वालिटीज होती हैं। मैडम अगर आप कुछ बता सकते हैं या विद्या जी पहले आप।
नहीं, उनको बताने दीजिए।
सो बेसिकली विद्या जी जो पहने हैं ये एक हम लोग का ये राजबड़ा वेडिंग कलेक्शन का एक पीस है और इसका स्प्रेड बहुत है लेकिन ये बजट के अंदर है। दिस सेट टोटल इज अराउंड 5.5 lakhs but it looks more expensive. That is the USP of our Rajbara collection. So and this is one of our most exclusive pieces. So ये जो हम लोग बोल रहे थे कि बजट में जो हैवी लुक जो हम लोग का यूएसपी है, दिस इज एन एग्जाम्पल व्हाट शी इज वेयरिंग विद्या जी।
मैंने हमने देखा कि बहुत ही ध्यान से आपने सारी चीज़ों को देखा है, बहुत ही वार्म वेलकम हुआ आपका, तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, मुझे वो म्यूजिकल वेलकम बड़ा अच्छा लगा। उसे लेजियन कहते हैं ना, हाँ या एंड उसके अलावा जो ट्रम्पेटिंग तुतारी से जो वेलकम हुआ हम सबका बड़ा अच्छा लगा। और मीडिया से इतने सारे मेरे दोस्त दिख रहे हैं, आप सब से मिलके भी बड़ी खुशी हो रही है। पर 135th स्टोर सेनको का यहाँ हमने इनॉग्रेट किया बोरिवली में। ये इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि साल ख़त्म हो रहा है एक अच्छे नोट पे और अगले साल इससे भी ज़्यादा बढ़ोतरी होगी।
लास्ट में विद्या जी लॉकडाउन के बाद से मैंने देखा है कि आपकी जितनी भी फिल्में आई हैं बहुत ही दिख रही है। अब लवर्स की बात अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत बता सकें कि
नियत और लवर्स 2022 में नियत और लवर्स 2023 में रिलीज़ होगी। मुझे नहीं पता कब, पर अच्छी डेट मिलते ही रिलीज़ करेंगे और उम्मीद करती हूँ कि सबको ये फिल्में अच्छी लगेगी। उसके अलावा बहुत जल्द है कुछ भी कहने के लिए। आप दुआ करो बहुत जल्द बिकॉज आजकल पता नहीं होता ना कि कहाँ फिल्म रिलीज़ होने वाली है। फिल्म बना देते हैं, फिल्म अच्छी बने, जहाँ रिलीज़ हो अच्छी करे बस। थैंक यू।
क्रिसमस एंड न्यू ईयर बोल रहे हैं, प्लानिंग है and, क्या कुछ करने वाले?
एक्चुअली इस साल क्रिसमस और न्यू ईयर के बीच हमारे एक दोस्त की शादी हो रही है, तो सेलिब्रेशन उसी में होने वाला है। बट दिस इज़ माई फेवरेटेस्ट टाइम ऑफ द ईयर, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि 1 जनवरी को मेरा बर्थडे होता है और 14 दिसंबर को मेरी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी। तो वो 2 हफ्ते जो हैं आई फील वेरी हैप्पी। द वेदर इज़ ऑल्सो गुड और सबसे मिलना जुलना, काम कम होता है, यू नो। It's a wonderful atmosphere, so I hope everyone has a lovely end to the year and an even better 2023. Thank you. कशी आहात? अच्छा यही कर रहे
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, media personals, shutterbox, go for the glory.
चलेगा चलेगा।
भाई वीडियो के लिए
The style, the design, the elegance and the craftsmanship is on offer. Nobody misses a moment to capture the beautiful artwork of so many caricatures.
अरे यार बैठ जाओ ना एक मिनट। कितना बार हो गए? ये भी इधर सेंटर लो, सेंटर लो। चलो यार टाइम हो गया।
Thank you everyone. Thank you Vidya ji. And now it's time to sing the birthday song yet again, and this one is not going to be just on record, but it's going to be sung by every single person standing under the roof. See, we told you we do not have the icing because the icing is already present on the dais.
भाई बैठ नीचे यार।
May I request?
निकालने देने।
Office Film Watch number 135. Congratulations and a very happy birthday, Joyita Sen. Happy birthday to you, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Once again, wish you a very happy birthday on behalf of everyone present right under this roof. Wish you all the success, all the happiness, and many more years of many more store launches in the years to come. Thank you, Joyita Sen ji. Many congratulations and a very happy birthday. Just one last thing. In the house, we have RJ Akriti from Red FM. May I request her to please step forward? RJ Akriti. Alright, she's in the house.
Hi everyone, hi.
Oh hello। कुछ बताओ।
So Vidya, congratulations to all girls. Congratulations Joyita, everybody. How are you feeling? How's the Josh?
Hi sir.
what a lovely piece that you're wearing. It's so, so, so beautiful. Bingo! Okay, we'll have interactions and I do want to ask a few questions to all of you. So let me know, can we do it here or we can, wherever, however. Yeah? Okay. Okay, we'll do a session now. Thank you.
Alright, on that note, thank you to Akriti for allowing me to sign it off. Once again, big thank you to every single one standing on the dais. Congratulations and a very happy birthday to Joyita Ji. And welcome to the fam, everyone of Senco Gold and Diamonds. This is Priyesh Palkar signing off. This store has been launched. We await yet another launch in a few minutes time. You'll get to know where, but once again, a big thank you for coming all the way and doing this with us together. Congratulations, Senco Gold and Diamonds family, one more time.
Plus, okay.
Thank you, little one. And this day has been made special for yet another member of Senco family, a little one, in fact. Thank you, gentlemen. Please enjoy your cake, and we'll be having a bite with RJ Akriti in the backstage. Thank you once again. And what a beautiful time it's been with all of us. Media, I hope you've got enough. Thank you to the media. Thank you to everyone present in the store.
भाई थोड़ा बिचाओ ना तुम्हारे लोग आओ ना यार मैडम मैडम इधर
ठीक है, both can look at me. You just take one of the jewelry. Do you want to show diamond? Yeah. एक मिनट
भाई आप जरा पीछे हो जाओ ना थोड़ा पीछे हो
Just make a little interaction.
We need to wind up this one now. Yeah. We need to wind up.
Yeah, look at me.
सबका अलग अलग चल रहा है सब वही होगा हाँ सुनील विद्या जी इधर भी विद्या जी
विजय में भी हाँ on this side.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
कौन नीचे तो बैक करे
আমার ব্যাগটা
Hey.